Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to unlink Facebook from Instagram account, and now let's dive right in. Now to unlink Facebook from Instagram account, first open up your Instagram app, and on this interface, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon on a small circle. Tap on your profile picture icon, and over here again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three lined icons. Tap on over there. And again over here, guys, on this interface, tap on the account center at the top of the screen, and over here scroll down to the bottom until you can see the accounts option at the bottom. Tap on accounts, and all of your accounts will be available over here. Now in order to unlink your Facebook account, simply you can see your Facebook account over here. All of your accounts related to Meta will be over here. If you have linked them, tap on the Facebook account, and at the bottom you can see the remove button available for us. Tap on that remove, and over here you can see the other options as well, but we'll be just removing or unlinking the account. To do that, tap on remove account, again tap on continue at the bottom of the screen, and over here just remove your profile at the bottom of the screen, and then your account will be unlinked from Instagram. And there, guys, this is how to unlink Facebook from Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.